driving to the town of Bend, Oregon right now. Yeah, we're just gonna be getting up to some whitewater kayaking for a couple days. I need to work on some editing, and then Descend on Bend Van Life Festival is this coming weekend. So that's the plan. Forest fire ripped through here.
Good morning from Bed World. We got some van life neighbors out there, and a whole bunch out here.
We're here in the woods in BLM land just outside of Bend and getting ready for the Descend on Bend Van Life Festival coming up. But we have some of our friends with a bus over here. John and Carly that they just acquired. And this thing is sweet. As you guys can tell, they actually basically chopped it in half, made it taller, welded all those supports on to raise the roof up, and built this crazy slide out stage. So it's gonna be pretty sweet. So tonight, I'm gonna camp out here and just help throw them some extra hands and attach all these steel panels to the side, so should be good. A little before and after. Hell yeah.
I went to Oregon.
Right.
I couldn't do it. Yeah, there it is.
You need to make a remote for that thing.
Dude, actuator, man.
Yep.
I'm thinking about it.
Could be done. Whoa.
Definitely be done.
Guess you guys can see what happened here. Basically just cut the thing in half, lift it up, and shows the size with the in-between steel beams. Not messing around.
Yeah, no.
You look like you have things happen to you.
Yeah, all kinds, man. You wouldn't believe it.
Just when you thought there couldn't be any more projects going on, check this out. Nice. Like a camper shell.
Thank you. 2 weeks, I think.
Looks light too.
Huh?
It's probably pretty light.
Yeah.
I imagine, yeah.
And they're all
That's crazy.
pneumatic cylinders. Maybe
Nice.
a little low, so they're kind of slow.
Yep. Looks pretty convenient.
Yeah, well, they were all manual before, and I just got tired of opening them all up.
Yeah, totally. It's one less thing to do.
Yeah,
One more thing to break, one less thing to do.
That's it. Pneumatic cylinders. Yeah, I'm really low on air right now.
Oh, yeah.
So all the tanks are in between the frame rails underneath.
Yep.
I've got 80 gallons of fresh water and
Nice.
40 gallons of gray, 40 black. Shower, toilet there.
Space.
Yeah. Cooktop there.
Nice.
Ice maker in there.
Ice maker and a fridge, huh? Or a
Yeah.
freezer.
Yeah.
Doing both.
Air fryer.
Make a lot of
microwave.
margaritas or something?
No. Microwave up there.
Oh yeah. See height up there.
And then,
Yeah, Keurigs are probably like 1,000 watts of power just to run
like
those things, aren't they?
1,500
Yeah.
When they're running.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Shower door.
Nice.
And then got a pocket door here for if my girlfriend wants to do stuff while I'm still sleeping. I'm a travel nurse and I work nights. So it's nice to have that. Mini split, camera system. 12 volt for, or not 12 volt, but USB for phone. Weather stuff. Hydraulic drop legs in the back. They don't make hydraulic scissor legs.
Oh, you
So I
got a
had
toy
to-
hauler style deal going on?
Yeah, so I had to fabricate
Nice.
the scissor legs on the
Yeah, totally. Okay.
And that drops open like a porch.
Nice.
Yeah. It's nice to be able to like set it out over stuff.
Nothing caught either when you did that.
Yeah, no. We set it out over like this drop off out by Cougar Reservoir.
Uh-huh. Oh, nice. I need to do a camera like that. I feel like just
Yeah.
keep people from like creeping hard and like stealing.
That's really what it does.
Yeah.
It just keeps people from looking too hard.
Yep.
I've got 360. They're all 180. They're all.
You also have only one alternator at sea.
You got dual?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, right?
At 250.
No way. It's
Just
150
think strong.
pounds. You can hang from it.
You almost blew my back out a second ago pulling
That's
it
what
up.
the beaner's on there for. Flip around so it's big side.
I can't do it. I give up. You're stronger than I am.
No, I just pulled it to the side.
I'm emotionally weak. Oh, now I'm never getting that off.
Pull it to the side.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I have 250.
Bring her in, nice and easy. Let's go right to that.
That's not
Get this one edge down here.
And I'm catching. Yeah, it's in there in the middle of this one. There we go.
Oh, you're smooth. You're in there.
Need it back that way, or does that look about
It
right?
needs to go more this way. Hang on. Let me just give it a little hit-a-roo. Oh no! That was my last hit! Come on! Alright, we need a little more overhang in the bottom though. You're up about 2 and you need to do 1. Yeah.
Or at least make sure everything's overlapping where it needs to.
There you go. You got it.
Look at
I was
that
like,
Lexan
alright, I
coming
guess
out.
we're working
Yeah,
on
that's what I want.
That's when you know you put enough.
Let's go right here.
You know what? It's kind of going to be like a big gray racing stripe all the way down the side.
Until we paint it tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah. What are you going to paint? You going to do like a big glitter stripe or something?
Glitter?
Yeah. We're here. This is the bus convention. They're everywhere. We're everywhere. I was telling John, if like we're in Portland, this would be super tweakerish right now.
We've been joking the whole time that we're like, we're so
Look at that, it's a wall. So I think the intent was just getting this stage ready for just an event for the weekend.
Adios, help!
JK, help me!
It's kind of a big moment, this entire back of the bus.
Perfect world.
What's rested on the bottom?
Yep, just bring her in. Nice and easy.
Too wide.
We got drama.
Oh man,
Love the drama. All right, so we just got to shave like a quarter off of this.
No way.
Got it.
They cut it the wrong size. You guys bowed it pretty hard, it still wouldn't kind of sneak
Yeah,
in
voted
there.
all the way and it sat, but there was like that much gap at the bottom.
Yeah, I think height's good. What's our best cutting tool for this? Just the
Hand
grinder? Okay.
yeah, this is true.
What are you doing, Curly?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm water sealing? Weatherproofing? I don't know.
Weatherproofing.
Lexeling, but it's not Lexel.
Lexeling,
it's
oh.
Dad.
Sounds like a verb.
We gotta go quick though, because that Lexel's gonna.
That is a fact, yeah. You got probably 30 minutes. It's kind of in there.
Before we lay down the ceiling.
Yeah, I agree. Thoroughly
We're
agree now.
optimistic.
Yeah, we're hopeful. There you go. You're in.
A little over. We need something taller. Yeah.
I can't reach way.
Okay, and
That's
then
too
the
much.
top I'm not worried about. I think it's flush with this, which I think we could just drill in.
If you push in the middle, we can push in the top. If you push in the middle from the inside.
Yeah, push through the middle. I just need this corner in a little bit.
Can't tell we're getting there. So this is actually their old van right here. Or not their old van, they're still in it. Beautiful night out. Can you see the stars? Yeah, you can see the stars. We're here. Base of the truck house. We get a fatty filet mignon cap steak. It'll be delicious. It's kind of on fire, so I should attend to that. But the bus is nearing completion. Sun on Bend begins tomorrow, pre-party, so trying to knock it out while we can. Yep. It probably does not look very appetizing, but this thing is absolutely freaking delicious. It's a cap steak, it's all swirly with fat and stuff. We got pizza in the woods.
Yeah, well, okay, we got it. You want a piece?
I'm good.
What do we got? What's the good
Guys,
stuff?
This is the chicken.
Chicken.
They look like chicken tater tots.
Take that many. Sorry.
Put a slice in your pocket for later. Yeah.
I think there's like. Okay. And then
Okay. So we got a 1/2 inch here.
Still at it, getting late, but pretty much knocked the whole side out today.
It's so crazy when people are like, oh yeah, I just need a place to build, you know, like I can't just like build on the road. Like look what we've done in the woods.
yeah.
bright and early. It's like maybe 6 in the morning or something. Looks like Carly's off to work. Oh, we got a pretty good bit done last night. Gorgeous sunrise out there.